What's the matter?
It's nothing. Sorry.
What is it?
Seed.
Ew, that smell. Smelly.
Why
They're in big trouble now. If Seed finds out, he will never cook delicious foods for them.
Stop it! Oh, I'm sure they were just fireflies.
I got you.
Oh no, what's happening here? It looks like Dingding can't hold himself from breaking wind.
I found you.
You got me.
This...
What is this? It stinks.
Sorry.
Dingding, go away.
Yes. Sorry.
Oh, I know it's okay.
Really?
Does Dingding's fart feel warm or cool?
Sorry.
Poor Dingding has broken wind at an important moment again.
Sorry.
Oh, what can Dingding be doing? Aha! He was practicing holding in his farts. Looks like Dingding has created a candy that produces colorful farts.
Now I can catch the real culprit. What should we do?
It's hopeless. How can you fart at a moment like this?
It's because I'm scared. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
Crayon!
Dingding!
Crayon!
Dingding! Dingding!
Hey!
The pencil is moving on its own. Why is that?
Because,
Great!
I'm sorry, I must be nervous.
What happened?
I think...
Maybe farting a lot helps one to lose weight. Then Dingding will never have to worry about getting fat. Dingding. Oh, Dingding.
Sorry.
Oh.
Chi-Chi! Chi-Chi!
Ding ding!
Sorry.
Sid is always kind to his friends. Sid is most happy when he's making delicious food.
I'm sorry, Sid.
I have have you all heard the story? No, I'm telling you the truth.
I think I read something like that in a book before.
Next, you. You stinky boy, put him in prison.
Are you really sure this is the one?
Don't be afraid. Let's go inside. Wait.